If you're a bird lover, get ready. These jaw-dropping beauties are about to steal your heart. First up, the resplendent quetzal picture emerald feathers with a tail that flows like a ribbon. Then, the rainbow lorikeet, a living paint splash straight out of Australia. The mandarin duck, pure artwork with colors so bold, you'll think someone photoshopped it. Don't forget the Victoria crown pigeon rocking a blue crown that'd make royalty jealous. And topping the list, the Wilson's bird of paradise, tiny, wild, and more vibrant than a neon sign. Honestly, Mother Nature went all out with these birds. Which one's your favorite? Tell us below, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild wonders.